Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add transition in Instagram Reels. Let's get started. To begin, open your Instagram app and then swipe right to activate your camera. And then at the bottom, go to Reel. Now to make a reel, you may either record 2 or more videos directly from your camera, or you may also upload existing videos from your camera roll. So right now I'm recording from my camera, and for the next video I'm gonna choose from my camera roll. Let me just choose this video. Just trim it as you want. And so once you have your videos in place, the next step is to add transitions between them. Just click next and then click edit video. Now, in the edit video section, locate the space between the 2 clips and tap on it. And here you'll find different transition options like zoom, blur, warp, flare, spin, and bleach. Just choose whichever transition you want. And if you have more than 2 clips, you can apply the chosen transition to all by selecting Apply to All. And you'll see the purple icon at the beginning and at the end. And just feel free to modify the transitions according to your taste or style. And then once you're done, just click on the blue icon with an arrow pointing to the right. And that's it. You now know how to add transitions to your Instagram reel. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!